So we were discussing array subscripting. We have seen there are 4 ways to display the same content: array subscript, pointer subscript, and further 2 notations have their name as well. So if we create an array, let's say name B, with these contents, we have created a pointer. So do we agree BPTR is a pointer to B? Or we should write ampersand sign? B के साथ ampersand sign हम यहाँ लिखेंगे या नहीं? Why not? Yeah, array name content is already address, which we actually desire. B is the name of an array, it is pointing to the 0th location. We have created a pointer to the same array, which is also pointing to the same location. Now we have a couple of pointers pointing to this. Means couple of variables which saves the address of 0th index. We should keep these notations in mind. We are going to implement these 4 notations to display the same contents of this array. At times it's very useful to display the output before actually understanding the code. So this is what we desire. Display the content using array subscript notation. B of 0. Same notation, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Second, we can discuss this. BPTR of 0 will definitely give us 10, isn't it? So एक और notation भी है, steric BPTR plus 0. If we just replace this B with the pointer, comes the 4th notation. BPTR plus 0. So all of these notations actually help us to display the similar contents. And why we are discussing these, because we have already discussed that there could be an array जिसका नाम नहीं है, जिसका सिर्फ pointer. Then how we are going to display the content? Using this, and that's why we are studying. So we move backward and see how we have displayed the contents of array using these 4 notations. First of all, array subscript, the most familiar one, which we have been practicing for the last couple of months at least. So array is in front of us, array of B, printed with array subscript notation, the most common one, first one. B 0 bracket close equal to B of 0, क्या डिस्प्ले होगा जी? 10. I gets incremented, B of 1 30, 40. Very simple. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसकी आउटपुट. So we have displayed the content using array subscript notation 10, 20, 30, 40. Now next is pointer offset notation, where pointer is array name. Offset actually means we start from one location. This is the base location. We start from one location, and how many further we have to move? The base location which is pointing to 0. आगे कितना जाना है? In this case 0. आगे मूव ना करें. उस लोकेशन पर ही नहीं. Steric gives the value. क्या value? Plus 1. Steric gives the value. Yes sir. Of course, steric is the value operator over here, using indirection. ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट है जी, ये जो अभी हमने डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसकी बात है. पॉइंटर ऑफसेट नोटेशन वेयर पॉइंटर इज array नेम. पॉइंटर ऑफसेट एरे के नाम को भी पॉइंटर कहा जा रहा है, वेयर पॉइंटर इज एरे नेम इटसेल्फ b plus 0. So this is how we are going to implement it. आई जे की जगह हमने एक और वेरिएबल का नाम रख लिया ऑफसेट, ऑफसेट 1 इक्वल्स टू 0 लेस देन 4, स्टैरिक b वही सिंटेक्स फॉलो किया, प्लस ऑफसेट 1 जो उसकी वैल्यू है प्लस 0 इक्वल्स टू स्टैरिक b प्लस ऑफसेट 1, क्या वैल्यू आएगी b प्लस 0 पे 10. तो एक्चुअली बिल्कुल इसी तरह ही डिस्प्ले होगा ये, द वे वी वांट दिस टू बी डिस्प्लेड एज b प्लस whatever the value is 0 equals to, so this is our output. It actually also telling us the notation by which we have got the value. So we are done with the first one. We are discussing third. So this is how we get the same value with this time. Now the next, again very simple one, pointer subscript. The first one was called array subscript, b of I. Now bptr of I, or whatever the variable name is, j equal to 0, j is less than 10, bptr of j means bptr of 0 bracket close equals to bptr of 0. क्या वैल्यू होगी 10 ही होगी, 1 2 3 4 10 20 34. So we are done with this. Now the last one. It's again the pointer offset notation. Line 36 states, whenever we state pointer offset, it means the pointer itself. Over here, pointer is the array name, but in this, the pointer is itself. Offset 1 we have already used the variable, another name of the variable offset 2, 2 is less than 4, 2 plus plus, steric bptr plus 0 equals to, means we want to write it this way, steric bptr plus 0 equals to 10. This is the way you want to be displayed. Steric bptr plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's it. इसकी अगर आउटपुट देख लें, we can summarize it in this form, that these are the 4 notations by which we can display the content of the array. Array subscript, pointer offset where pointer is array name b plus 0. Then comes the pointers. Pointer subscript, same values. Pointer offset, pointer is itself. We have just replaced b with bptr plus 0. तो इन नोटेशंस को आपने देख लेना, इम्प्लीमेंट करके भी देख लें कि आप एरे के कंटेंट्स को यूजिंग पॉइंटर भी डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. क्यों डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं विद यूजिंग पॉइंटर्स? व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स दैट? बिकॉज वी आर सेइंग कि मे बी in future, in near future, when we will be discussing dynamic memory management, so we will only be creating pointer to a location. It could be a variable pointing to a variable, it could be a pointing to an array. Laptop close कर दें भाई, class में नहीं करें. It could be name of an array, of course the pointer itself. तो इस वजह से जब हम एरे का पॉइंटर क्रिएट कर देंगे एंड वी डोंट हैव अ नेम, तो हाउ वी कैन एक्सेस द कंटेंट ऑफ द एरे? यूजिंग दिस एंड यूजिंग सेकंड एंड फोर्थ व्हेन वी हैव पॉइंटर्स टू दैट. तो ये चीज़ें मोटिवेशन नोटेशंस डिस्कस करने की, कि दैट व्हाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग नोटेशंस.